I noticed ain't what I'm seeing. Lord have mercy. The thrift store came through. Thrift store then came through today with the hair, y'all. Y'all, I got some braiding hair and I got this lace front wig. This highlighted lace front wig for $20 at the thrift shop. Okay, at the thrift store. So y'all, I done brung this bad boy home and let it soak, washed it, got it ready. Y'all, so here's how it look. And disclaimer, this is my first time ever in life doing a lace front. Okay, I never bought one and I never installed one. So this is my first time, y'all. Bear with me. As y'all see, I already got on a wig cap. I kind of glued it down or whatever you want to call it. And let's install this bad boy. So I didn't like this wig because it is synthetic and it's a little too big for my head. So I was already a little aggravated, but it was thrifted. It was only 20 bucks. So, hey, I just decided to just let me go ahead and be a test dummy and practice with this wig instead of an expensive wig. I can practice with this $20 wig from the thrift store. So, guys, I'm putting it on, and I'm just trying to figure out what I'm going to do because it's a lot kind of too big, and the ear part kept coming up. So I end up using this gel, and I don't even know if this is the right gel to use or what, but I just used it because I went to the hair store and that's what the guy that worked there told me to get. So I glued it down, and I think I messed up because I think I was kind of like gluing my baby hairs down too much. So it was kind of giving me problems, but I end up getting it done, y'all. So this is how it looks so far. And yeah, at this point I'm just like, okay, hopefully I get this right, you know. I want to give y'all some good content too. So it's like, hopefully I get this wig done right so I can actually wear it, to be honest, because I do want to rock it, even though I'm probably going to chop it up and I don't know what else I can do to it, but it needs to be cut definitely. But you guys will see when it's finished. So I'm melting it now. I think I'm melting it. I think that's what it's called. And like I said, I think I messed up this part because I kept gelling and spraying spritz on these edges, and I think it messed my baby hairs up. Got my baby's hair real flaky. But anywho, y'all, so I started cutting it with a razor, and I decided to cut it with scissors because it was safer. And yeah, so I don't know if I'm cutting too much of the lace front off, but it started to lift as I was cutting. So I'm like, I'm doing something wrong. So I had to remelt the lace front, as you guys can see here. And I kept cutting the lace front for some reason because I just didn't like seeing it. Kept cutting it. So here's how it look, y'all. And like I said before, the wig itself is a little too thick for me, a little too bulky on my head. I cannot curl it. This is in synthetic. So I don't know what I'm going to do. I want to rock it. But if it looks like this, I don't know if I'm going to be able to rock it. So I gotta try to fix it, guys. At this point, I'm just trying to see. I do like the fact that it could be parted on the side or the middle. That's a plus. So yeah, it was just basically a test wig, just to test out my skills on how I can install a wig. And I'm not disappointed. You know, it was only $20. I thrifted it, so it wasn't like I spent a bag of money on it. And the color is real pretty. I think I love the highlights. So yeah, guys, let me know in the comment section what y'all think of this wig I thrifted. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.